Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on TCL Plex. To install an iPhone-like keyboard, go to Play Store, then click on the Search tab and search for an app named Green Apple Keyboard. Then install this green app with Apple on it. And now you can open it. Click on Enable in Settings, then enable Green Apple Keyboard and click on OK and OK. Then you can go back and click on Switch Input Methods. Then you can switch it to Green Apple Keyboard and you can click on Finished. You can also adjust some general settings, but I'm gonna just exit out of the app. And now I'm gonna go into Google. You can go into any app that you can type in. And as you can see, I have my iPhone keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.